Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that a healthy body and a confident spirit go hand in hand. Today, we're diving into the world of health and beauty, and I'm here to share some amazing tips with all of you. Cut to a close-up shot of the host holding a basket of fruits and vegetables. Let's start with the basics, nourishing our bodies from within. A key aspect of maintaining good health is a balanced diet filled with nutritious foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are your best friends. Remember, a healthy body starts with what you put into it. Transition to the host holding a bottle of water. Next up, hydration. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day is vital for both our health and beauty. Water keeps our skin hydrated, flushes out toxins, and boosts our energy levels. So, don't forget to drink up and keep a water bottle handy wherever you go. Now, let's talk about the importance of physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise not only helps us stay fit but also improves our mood and overall well-being. Whether it's yoga, dancing, or a brisk walk in the park, find an activity that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Moving on to beauty, taking care of our skin is crucial. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Use gentle cleansers that suit your skin type. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin supple, and don't forget sunscreen to shield yourself from harmful UV rays. Your skin will thank you. Lastly, beauty comes from within, and that means embracing your unique qualities and practicing self-love. Remember, you are beautiful just the way you are, and confidence is the best accessory you can wear. That's all for today's health and beauty tips. Remember to prioritize your well-being and radiate that inner beauty. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Take care and stay beautiful. Health and